Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a light bulb in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any specific safety instructions for your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Open your Jeep's hood and locate the headlight unit you need to work on. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws on the top and side of the assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit straight forward. It should slide out, giving you clear access to the back of the bulb. With the headlight assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. Locate the electrical connector on the back of the old bulb. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then gently pull the bulb straight out. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated correctly, then twist clockwise to lock it securely in place. Before you fully reinstall everything, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Now, turn on your Jeep's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you can then slide the headlight assembly back into its original position and reinsert the retaining screws. Tighten them snugly, but don't over-tighten. For other great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.